and welcome back to QRCodeDynamic. In today's video, I will show you how to generate dynamic font QR codes in just a few easy steps. With dynamic font QR codes, you can personalize and update the contents of your QR codes and build stronger relationships with your audience. So let's dive right in and see how to do it together. If you don't have an account, you can click on the sign up button and create an account. Then sign into your account and go to the dashboard part. Then go to the link section and you need to click on the create link button. Enter your font details in the destination URL part with the suitable format like this and click on the create to finalize your link. Now your link is ready. You need to click on the generate QR code button and select URL from this part. Enable the dynamic QR codes and select your dynamic link from the list. Then you can edit your QR code style like this or change its colors from this part like this. And you can add your logo from the branding part or change its size from the options section. Then you can click on the create button once you finish customizing your QR code. And that's it. You have successfully generated a dynamic font QR code in just a few simple steps. Remember to maximize their visibility by prominently displaying your QR codes on marketing materials, product packaging, or websites. That way you can easily interact with your audience. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.